this workshop we will make different objects from old nickel silver alpaca spoons. We will make key rings, signs, and necklaces. Nickel silver or alpaca is very similar to silver, and spoons made from it have traditionally been given as prizes in sport competitions in Finland, so they can also have beautiful engravings on them. However, alpaca spoons are not expensive as the material is not precious metal. You can find such spoons in flea markets or at home, but always ask permission before working on spoons you find at home. You will need the following tools: a hammer, pliers that have a cutting part, files, tape measure, letter stamps, pencil, cotton string for necklace, glue, key rings, glass beads, and earplugs. First, we will make a sign for, say, herbs or other plants or seedlings. We put the earplugs on and then start flattening the spoon. It is a good idea to put something on the table, for example an old cutting board, on which to hit the spoon on. Start with the outside round side. Keep hitting the spoon until it is flat, at times turning the spoon. Then we will draw a line on the spoon with a pencil to help have the letters in a straight line. This sign will be for Dell. Always start with the middle letter in the middle to get the word even along the line. Press the stamp against the spoon with your hand and hit it firmly once with the hammer. Then hit the other letters. And the sign is ready. The keyring is made as follows. Cut off the spoon with pliers with a cutting blade. Then we will use the letter stamps again to stamp the letters into the keyring, for example, home or car. The hanging loop is rounded off from the cut end using the round nose pliers. Hold firmly onto the stem to be twisted and grip the cut end with the pliers. Then simply twist the arm around with the pliers. Then attach the keyring to the link and the keyring is complete. The necklace is made in the same way as the keyring. Cut the spoon with pliers. You can file the cut part with file if you have one. Now we round off the stem into a loop, and only in the end we glue the decorations into the spoon. We need a glue that dries into a paste, like this instant glue that says gel. 2-component glue is also suitable for this purpose. First, apply the glue to the desired spot on the spoon, and then place the decorative stone in the glue and allow to dry. We can also make key rings out of the ends of the spoons. Finally, we will learn how to make an adjustable band for the necklace. Take 75 centimeters of cotton ribbon . I will show the knotting from a right-handed perspective. Place one end of the ribbon along the left index finger and the other end crosswise over it. Then twist the top end around your finger twice. Make the knot by inserting the twisted end inside through the twisted links around the finger. Hold the end and with the other hand push the loose knot towards the end of the string. Do not tighten the knot yet, but now tie a knot on the other end. Turn the necklace over and twist the free end around your finger twice. Slip the free end through the links from the inside and gently tighten the knot towards the end. Now you can tighten the knots with pliers and cut off any excess ribbon at the end. Do not cut too much, however, so that you can easily adjust the necklace. Good luck and keep up the good work!